Hey everyone! So today I will be showing you a really quick tutorial on how to import an HDRI to Blender. So an HDRI is an environment, also known as an environment texture. Basically it's a wide panoramic shot of a certain place with lighting data that can light up your project in different ways. So as you can see, I just have like a really simple rendering of a gingerbread house right here. It looks not too good with the default lighting. I just have a spotlight right here. But if I go over to this tab and I do a environment texture, and then I can open whatever environment texture that I want. I have like a little folder right here, and then I can open an environment texture, and it already looks better. And as you can see, there's just like lighting coming from seemingly nowhere. So that's what I'll be showing you how to do today. It can make your renders look much more professional and realistic lighting for not that much work. Alright, so first thing you want to do is go to HDRIhaven.com. I'll link it in the description. This is a really good free website for getting HDRIs. So then you can just go to the search, so HDRIs, and they have all of their HDRIs here, and then you can filter for what type of environment you want. So let's say I want a urban HDRI, and we'll have it be midday. So this one looks pretty good, and it gives you a preview of what the materials will look like and what the picture looks like. And here are the materials right here. Then if you scroll down a bit, it gives you options for 1K, 2K, 4K, 8K, and 16K. So those are just different image resolutions. I normally like to either do 2K or 4K. I haven't really tested the differences between them, but I would think that it's not that big of a difference. It's probably most likely for if you're going to use the HDRI as a background, which I'll show you how to do later. So I'll download the 2K version. So that gets downloaded right here. And then I can go to my Blender file. And if I have, normally I think, alright, so here is the default texture for the thing. And all you have to do is click on this little yellow circle, and then choose an environment texture. Then you can press open, go to wherever you saved that environment texture. For me, it's in downloads, and then you can open that, and there's your HDRI. So right now I have the background as transparent. It's in the render tab, so under film in the rendering tab, for default, it won't be transparent, and you'll see something like this. So it'll be your HDRI texture in the background, which normally doesn't look too good. So what I like to do is I enable transparent for any HDRIs that I do. So if I do an HDRI background, I'll do the transparent background, which essentially when it renders out, the background will just be, it'll come out as black. But I think you can overlay it over things, which is also useful. So yeah, that's how you do HDRIs. I hope this helped. A quick tutorial. If you like my videos, then like the video. Subscribe if you want to see more of this content. I also have Minecraft content, and I'm trying to get at what people like, if they like Minecraft or Blender content more. Share the video if you think it would be helpful to a friend, and I'll see you next time. Bye.